What if I told you there are 3 extraordinary compliments that can spark constant thoughts of you in a woman's mind? Forget the usual, "You're beautiful," or "You have lovely eyes." These are psychological triggers, capable of fostering genuine attraction. However, exercise caution. Misuse could lead to an unexpected connection. You're about to discover 3 unique compliments that resonate with a woman's deepest emotions. They make her feel noticed, understood, and irresistibly drawn to you. Before diving in, let's address a common mistake many men make when offering compliments. Many assume it's all about inflating a woman's ego. This approach is misguided. The most impactful compliments go beyond mere flattery. They speak to her emotions. Most women repeatedly hear the same remarks: "You look fantastic," or "Your smile is lovely." While nice, these comments often fade into forgetfulness. Why? Because she's heard them countless times. When you express something more profound, something that speaks to her core identity, that's when you become unforgettable. Now, before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to ensure you won't miss our upcoming videos. Let's get started. Forbidden compliment number 1. There's something about the way you think that's simply different. This works because it ignites curiosity. Instead of commenting on her looks, you're acknowledging her intellect. Most women receive compliments about their beauty, not their thoughts. By recognizing her thought process, she may wonder, "What does he see in me?" This thought lingers in her mind. It taps into a psychological phenomenon. Unfinished thoughts tend to stay with people. When you say this, she'll crave clarification. Smile and say, "I'll tell you later," then shift the conversation. Now you'll linger in her thoughts long after your departure. Forbidden compliment number 2. You make those around you feel alive. Many men tell women they're attractive, yet few convey that she enriches the world. This praise highlights her worth as a person, not just her appearance. It signals, "I perceive something extraordinary in you." Everyone fears being forgettable. This compliment alleviates that concern. By saying this, you illustrate the positive impact she has on others. She will subconsciously associate that uplifting feeling with you. This compliment also fulfills her need for significance, the desire to be important and valued. Complimenting her beauty is commonplace. Recognizing her energy is rare, and what's rare is magnetic. Forbidden compliment number 3. I don't think you realize just how rare you truly are. This is the most potent compliment. It compels her to pause and reflect. You're telling her she's one of a kind. Most women don't perceive themselves as genuinely unique. They might feel attractive or intelligent, but feeling rare is entirely different. This comment elicits a profound response. People treasure what is scarce. When you voice this sentiment, she'll be motivated to demonstrate what sets her apart. If she inquires about your reasoning, you'll know it hit the mark. These compliments hold significant power, but should be used judiciously. Overusing them could forge an attachment you hadn't intended. However, when deployed thoughtfully, they render you unforgettable. If you're eager to delve even deeper and discover how to cultivate lasting attraction over time, watch the next lesson on the power of compounding. It unveils the secret to attaining long-term success, not only in attraction, but across every aspect of life.